Hey guys, come with us today and follow our bus through Tuscan highways as we travel halfway between Florence and Siena to a small town called Greve in Chianti. Greve is known for its historic piazza, vibrant market, and world-class wine culture. The traffic in this region of Chianti soon turns into a winding town road with grapevines and your typical Italian cyclists. The surrounding countryside is something out of an Italian oil painting, complete with vineyards and olive groves and a creek running right through it. Arriving in Greve in Chianti, you should be ready for a whole day of wine tasting and exploring the artisan shops. We'll take you to Antonio's leather shop, we'll get some snacks, and even stop to have a spritzer. The town square, Piazza Matteotti, is lined with artisan shops and cafes, making it the perfect place to soak in the local atmosphere. Greve is both a day getaway to Chianti's scenic wine trails and a destination in itself. It offers a true taste of authentic Tuscan life. Follow us through this amazing town in Chianti today. If you like our content, please consider a like and subscribe and help us deliver more. Okay then, we'll see you out there.
group.
It is. I see the
No,
green
the
hair.
ambulance.
Oh, not our group. No,
Lei
please.
stessa morena.
The group is right here. We can go there right now. Unless they're waiting for us.
Look at that. Yeah, beautiful.